Let me blow your mind. This person right over here, according to Social Blade, is making $200,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage this brand new website that literally no one is talking about, that I've never talked about before as well, in order to make money online and actually build a sustainable online business without showing your face and without recording anything with the camera. And the best part about this is it doesn't require any previous experience, and literally anywhere from anywhere in the world can do this as long as you have access to the internet. So what you want to do first is you want to check out this channel over here, Shiva Cat YouTube channel, that is reposting viral videos and adding unique commentary without actually recording the voiceover themselves. So if you open up any of these most popular videos, you will see that these YouTube shorts have tons of millions of views. You will hear that voice is AI generated, but they're actually using a specific tool for this that allows them to monetize the content. Later I'm going to show you what they're using. I'm going to show you where they're getting the content, how they're actually generating these AI voiceovers, and how can you get your channel monetized in less than 24 hours. So what you want to do is you want to check out the channel to see exactly what they're doing. All they're doing is posting these viral clips. They're just adding simple commentary. They're literally showing what they're talking about, what's already on the screen. This gets millions of views, and that's how they monetize it. And that's how they make hundreds of thousands of dollars. And they just started out. They've been doing this for like 2 months. All this video was posted 2 months ago and already went from zero. If you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars, so what you can do is simply you can go over to this website over here called wimp.com, and there you can find the names of these viral videos. If I click on this, it's gonna open up the actual video, and I can view the video right over here, and I can even watch it on YouTube as well. But how am I gonna use this? Is I'm gonna download this, I'm going to click on share, and I'm going to copy the link to this YouTube video. And once you copy the link to that YouTube video, you can just search on YouTube for YouTube to MP4, paste the link here, click start, and then download a video to your computer so you can turn it into a YouTube short. Now, if you listen to any of the videos that are posting on Shiva Cat YouTube channel, you will hear that specific voiceover that they're using is coming from an AI tool called Play HD. It gives you ultra realistic AI voices, so you can listen to some of these templates and you will easily find the exact same voiceover that the person is using on that channel to get hundreds and millions of views. So you can just go to the dashboard after signing up free and you can write down simple commentary. Click create audio, then write down simple commentary. So I'm gonna go with like, hey, look at this video. It has gotten more than 100 million views. This is very simple commentary, and then you can generate a voiceover from that with one press of a button. And because this is ultra realistic sounding voiceover, you can actually monetize it on YouTube. It doesn't sound like robotic or anything like that, and I've tested myself. So if you can export this, and you can export it as a single audio file, and now all you're going to do is connect these to you and create an actual YouTube short from this. Now, in order to monetize these YouTube shorts, first we'll need to be approved into the partner program. So your YouTube channel needs to be monetized appropriated partner program in order to actually make money from it and earn ad revenue just like this. Now, in order to get monetized, sometimes it takes 12 to 18 months just to make the monetization requirement. So if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized right away, you can go to dfydave.com monetization, or click the link in the description box below for some of the links in the description to get monetized in less than 24 hours. And then every single video that you publish will earn revenue depending on how many views it gets. But once you get your YouTube channel monetized, in order to edit this video, you can just go to clipchamp.com, which is a free tool, and you can just upload the audio file and upload the video. It's going to show up somewhere like this on the screen, and what you can do is you can also generate auto captions from this. So just click on turn on audio captions and you can now play the video and listen to it, and you will see that the text will be showing up on the screen. It's going to be very engaging, so it's going to be an actual YouTube short, so you'll be able to watch the video. Of course, you can edit and
look at this video. It has gotten more than 100 million views.
Very fast paced and short, and once it is completed in like less than 60 seconds, you can click on export and you can download it to your computer with almost one press of a button. And then you can also upload it to your YouTube channel and monetize that content. And this person is uploading around 1 or 2 of these YouTube shorts every single day, and they have been doing that for the past 60 days to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in ad revenue. Now honestly, the CPM for these YouTube shorts is now very high, but they are also posting long form videos as well, and that's how they are potentially making most of their money, because they are growing their brand with short form content. They're attracting millions of views, which is going viral, and they're also posting long form videos as well, as you can monetize both YouTube shorts and long form content as well. But once again, to get your YouTube channel approved into the partner program in less than 24 hours, make sure to go to dfidave.com monetization or click on the links that are in the description below. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more content like this.